Wow.
Yo, enough respect to him with the rock bottom from Snack Money. Yeah, Snack Money and rock bottom, and this is how the fucking drug game got him from the start. You know that drugs fucked around and ripped his fucking heart apart from his family and his enemy, and simply put him in the middle. Solve the riddle. Is he gonna sniff and have the gift to sit back and receive the knowledge of the spliff, or is he gonna take the beef and sit back and make sure he ripped? Either one, the way you go to war, you wake up in the morning, that body gonna be sore. Can that brain continue to absorb any motherfucking more? Or do you start to freebase and walk away from that shit called raw? Now you're on tour, can you ask for any more? Shit is ill for real, now you sick so the doctor tell you chill. Now you fucked up mentally, addicted to the pill, shit for real. Oh, you got an ache and shit like you feel like it's fake, or you can't make a move. Yeah, now the pill will give you the right group, give you the gas, make sure your shit will last. Yo, you never on ass, but simply when the jar empty, tempty to go another motherfucking way. Okay, now you out to sea, and now you got a sag, now you fucking with that bag, strung out on that sea hag. Oh, niggas ain't sequel. Watch out, niggas will fuck around and pop you with that knee though, and your motherfucking arm set off that alone. Watch out there, people. This is not the motherfucking story. This is the end of the sequel. Watch it out there, people. While you're out there deep at sea, simply watch it. People out there flowing to a low degree to pull your ass down, let you know this is how they fucking get around. See, they'll blur your vision. Now shit ain't clear. You can't hear. You're under that pressure. Now they got your shit in their soul and they ready to undress you. Now you're out of control. And ain't shit in your reach that you can hold. Yo, you in order, but you find your mind floating around with nothing but water. What you think? Shit starting to shrink. Even as you rise, realize it's no surprise. You was born that way, yo, simply. Now you outside in and inside out with no doubt. Shit is crisp and clear. Can you feel what you hear? Cause it's your soul that's talking back. React to the fact that it's not the crack or the heroin. You're within yourself. Now, can you really reach into that drawer and find your motherfucking wealth? What you gonna spend, friend? Dough flow, don't get deep. I just woke up, don't fucking go to sleep.